Getting started with Linksell is quick, easy, and completely free. Go to linksell.com and click on Start Free to begin. Choose the plan that best fits your business and click on Get Started. Next, enter your personal details, including first name, last name, email, business name, phone number, and a secure password. You'll receive a 6-digit OTP via email for verification. Enter the OTP to confirm your email address. Once verified, provide your business address and click Save and Continue. Review your selected plan, verify the amount, and check the box to agree to our terms and privacy policy. Click on Proceed for Payment to complete your sign-up. After that, click on Launch Dashboard to access your Linksell Business Dashboard. That's it. You're all set to start selling and managing your business with ease, all from one place. Don't wait. Start for free at linksell.com today.